everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Impact Mailing Club. And today what I would like to cover is the promotions that's going on right now, how long they're going to be going on for. Not only that, I want to show you the website that you're going to actually be able to get at no additional charge when you join my team, how to do so, and then I'm going to show you some proof of the payments that I received with Impact Mailing Club and show you the easiest methods that you can use to start getting results as quickly as possible. For those that don't know, I've been here doing postcard and flyer marketing, direct mail marketing since 2016, and it has allowed me to generate a full-time income. And what I'm here to do is teach other people exactly how to do the same. When I first got into online marketing back in 2015, I made no money and I spent a ton of money. And a seven-figure earner that is in direct mail decided that he was going to teach me exactly how to leverage direct mail marketing and how to start earning full-time with it. I started back in 2016, middle of the year. I was able to generate $50,000 in profit within my first year and went on to doubling that in no time by just using some simple strategies that I use almost every single week to keep the money coming in. And with Impact Mailing Club, May of this year would make 1 year that I've been with this opportunity. I've been getting paid consistently almost every single day, $300 payments. I've been getting $1,000 payments, $500 payments with this opportunity, and it's not slowing down. We are in our peak season, and what I want to just do is show you how you can start using this opportunity to earn consistently at the highest levels, leveraging this opportunity and getting payouts every single week so that you do not have to no longer depend on a job. A job was holding me stagnated. It did not allow me to spend the time that I needed to with my children. And therefore, I figured out long time ago that a job was just not for me. Either I was working somewhere where people didn't like me, didn't agree with me, didn't like my work performance, didn't let me take time off, felt like they owned me. And I don't want to feel like that. I feel like we are here to live free while we're here on this planet, and we should be able to live life on our own terms. And that's why I decided to take this business into my own hands and actually start working from home. So if you are tired of your job, you need another income, this is one of the easiest ways that you can do that. But there's some things that you have to have in place when you first start, and you have to be willing to put in a little bit of effort. A little bit of effort will go a long way. The first 90 days of your journey is going to be not that easy and not so much of a fun task, but it's well worth it, okay? And I tell people that 90 days, you wanna go 100 miles per hour, and that's going to start generating commissions on a consistent basis, having money in your mailbox or coming to you electronically on a weekly and daily basis. So this is the website that I put together for my team. I consider it a high converting website because this sales page is explaining exactly what this opportunity is about, how to start earning with this opportunity, and it's leaving nothing out. So you don't have to guess when you send people to this website. They're going to know exactly what they're getting into. It does all of the explaining and giving people the education that they need to see if this is the business for them. And that's the thing I always tell people, we're not in the business of selling, we are in the business of educating. If your product is good enough, it will sell itself, okay? So I want people to really understand that. And that's one thing that I had to change with my mindset. I didn't come into this opportunity or into the direct mail space to sell anybody anything. I came to teach them something and explain to them how they can generate income and then let them make a decision based off of the sales page that's given to them. So this is the Impact Mailing Club, and I'm going to show you how you guys can get this website at no additional charge when you join my team. Here, people will be able to click here and get started. That will upload your order form. And what an order form is basically how people can pay you when they are ready to get started. Also down here, it's going to have the team bonuses. When you are a part of my team, you're also included in all of my team bonuses. So whatever I give to my team, you're going to also be able to give those same bonuses to your team and to your downline. And that's why it's so important to have a website, because it's going to teach people how to get started. And not only that, give them the bonuses that they need to help them to leverage the opportunity and start earning as quickly as possible. Here is another Get Started Now button where your form will be located here as well. And then down here, it talks about the earning potentials, the letter that we have for all of my teammates. You get a customized cover letter that will have your name, your website, your phone number for people to reach out to you when they're ready to get started. And then here, check your mailbox for your first payment. Here are some testimonials here. So this shows that there's more than one person that's actually earning. There's a ton of people, if you go on YouTube, a ton of people that are making money with this opportunity, earning 5 figures a month and also 6 figures a year with this opportunity. It also goes into what you need to get started, what you do not need to get started, okay? So it's just letting people know it's newbie friendly. If they've never done direct mail marketing before, they can do this by just knowing absolutely nothing, because they're gonna get everything that they need to be successful. And then again, here's another get started now link. So speaking of the promotions, okay, right now, we have a promotion that's going on. I received this email that came into my inbox about the promotion that's going on from now all the way until March 6th, okay? And this promotion means that everybody is gonna be able to upgrade at no additional charge when they come in. If you come in as a Ruby member, you're gonna pay $250. You're gonna come in as you're gonna be upgraded to the Sapphire level. The Sapphire level allows you to get $300 for each person that joins the opportunity with you. It normally costs $500 to get in at the Sapphire level, but for right now, you're gonna get in at the Sapphire level for $250. This is a one-time payment. If you come in at the Sapphire level, you're gonna be upgraded to the Diamond level for $500. It's normally $2,000 to get in at the Diamond level. Right now, you're gonna get in as a Diamond member. It's going to allow you to collect unlimited $1,000 payouts for $500. So $500 one-time payment is gonna allow you to upgrade to the Diamond level. And then the Double Diamond is going to allow you to come in for a one-time payment of $2,000. It normally costs $4,000 to get in at the Double Diamond level, okay? Now, what this means is basically that you're getting in for half of the price. Sometimes with some of these levels, even more than half. You're going to be able to come in and be able to leverage and take advantage of the payouts that comes in for each person that comes in under you. And what I'm going to actually do is allow people to even be able to move faster by getting some bonuses from me directly. So when you come in at the Double Diamond, you're going to receive 100 copies of your customized letter that's going to go out to your members. So I'm going to print that out for you, put that in the mail priority mail to you so that you can actually have that to get started, okay? You're gonna also get stamps from me as well. So you're gonna get the stamps in the mail so that you don't even have to purchase stamps at the Double Diamond level. That's going to go in the mail to you as well, okay? So these are the things that you're gonna get. Not only that, I'm going to give you some of my tips and tricks of things that I do outside of just the mailings that's going to allow you to speed up your results. And the website that I just showed you here, you're going to get that absolutely free, no additional charge when you come in at the Double Diamond level, okay? At the Sapphire level, what you're going to receive is you're going to receive stamps as well directly from me. And you're going to also receive the customized cover letter when you come in at the Diamond level. Now remember, the bonuses that I'm giving you is only going to be for the time that the promotion is going on, which is February 21st to March 6th. At the Sapphire level, when you pay the $250, you're going to get the customized cover letter, you're gonna get the free upgrade, and what I can also do for those who come in at the Sapphire level is give you some free training on how I market this opportunity other ways. For the Sapphire level, you are going to have to pay for the website, which would be a one-time fee of $150, okay? So this is what you're going to get when you come in on top of the promotion that I'm giving to all of those who join this opportunity under me. This is a great bonus. There's no one else that's offering these bonuses, and this is going to help speed up your results, okay? So I highly recommend to get in between this time. If you have been looking at direct mail, this is a great time to get in and take advantage of the bonuses. Now, the way that you can get paid with Impact Mailing Club, what I did was I pulled up my KeyBank account, okay? I'm happy it didn't time out because it's been a while. But basically, what you're going to be able to do is collect payments electronically. These are some of the payments that I've been able to receive since I've been in the opportunity. I also have some payments that came in through the mail here that I will be depositing tomorrow morning. So we have here $100 in cash, and I also have a $50 and a $20 money order that I received the end of last week, along with a ton of stamps. And also electronically, I have received these payments. So people can pay you through Zelle, Google Pay, Venmo, Cash App. You can get paid through Apple Pay, okay? So those are the electronic ways that people can pay you if they want to get started right away. They don't want to put the money in the mail. Now, by mail, you can get paid cashier's check, money order, or cash by mail. And people need to send that priority mail so that they have a tracking number in the event anything is lost. So I always recommend tracking number, priority mail. It's going to cost you $7.50 just about, but it's worth it because now you know that the payment is going to the person it needs to go to. You can sleep better at night. But here we have a $500 payment, $500, $900, $7 payment, $147 payments. As you can see, $500, $500, $147. These are all of the payments that I received mainly through direct mail. Here I have $2,000 payments that came in from someone that joined the opportunity with me and wanted to take advantage of the direct mail. So these just actually keep going, and it's not slowing down. I pulled up what I've received just for the last 30 days. And as you can see, it's very consistent. So what I recommend is that if you are going to get into this business, you get in as high as you can because you're going to get the most bang for your buck when you come in at the higher levels, okay? Most people come in at the higher levels, the mid-level. And what happens is if you come in at the lower levels, the commissions are going to pass you by. You're not going to get paid for a level that you're not on. So if you start at the $100 level and you are hesitant about moving up, you know you want to get your feet wet, you want to give this a try, you're going to be losing out on commissions. We are in our peak season. A lot of people are joining this opportunity. And if you want a piece of the pie, you want to position yourself to make the most money. So I just want to say thank you for viewing this video. I hope that this information has inspired you, and not only that, educated you on how direct mail works and potential that's there when you join an opportunity like this. Please hit the subscribe button to get more notifications and videos of how to work from home opportunities that I provide information about. And I will see you again in the next video. Have a great week. And reach out to me if you have any questions, and the information is in the description below. So thanks again and have a great day.